Tired of waiting for payday? Wish you could access your earned income now? You're not alone. But with so many options out there, it can be tough to know which one is right for you. Today, we're diving deep into Beforepay and answering the burning question, does Beforepay accept Cash App? Beforepay is a popular on-demand pay platform that allows employees to access a portion of their earned wages before their official payday. This can be a lifesaver for unexpected expenses, covering bills, or simply enjoying a little extra cash when you need it most. But here's the thing, flexibility is key. You want a solution that integrates seamlessly with your preferred financial tools. That's where Cash App comes in. Cash App is a wildly popular mobile payment service, known for its user-friendly interface and instant transfers. It's become a go-to for many for sending and receiving money, making purchases, and even investing. So, the big question is, can you use your hard-earned cash from Beforepay directly within your Cash App account, ***? Addressing the core question. Unfortunately, the answer is no. Beforepay doesn't directly integrate with Cash App. Here's the deal. Beforepay typically disburses funds through direct deposit. This means the money is transferred directly to your linked bank account. To use Beforepay with Cash App, you'll need to link your Cash App account to your bank account. Then, once Beforepay deposits your earned wages, the funds will become available in your Cash App balance. Exploring alternatives and workarounds. While direct integration isn't available, there are workarounds. Instant transfers. Many banks offer instant transfer options, allowing you to quickly move funds from your bank account to your Cash App. Cash App Boost. If you have a qualifying Cash App Boost, you might be able to receive faster direct deposits, potentially speeding up the process. Benefits of using Beforepay despite the Cash App limitation. Even without direct Cash App integration, Beforepay still offers significant advantages. Financial flexibility. Access your earned income when you need it, not just on payday. Improved cash flow. Better manage unexpected expenses and avoid late fees. Reduced reliance on high-cost loans, a more affordable alternative to payday loans or credit cards. While Beforepay and Cash App don't directly connect, you can still leverage Beforepay's benefits by linking your Cash App account to your bank. This allows you to access your earned wages quickly and seamlessly use them within the Cash App ecosystem. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.